I mean, hopefully with this not being too loud. Yeah, it just looks like it's not recording to me because I can't see it. Okay, oh. Jump to kill it. But still, really reacting to this. Okay, let me just find it real quick for you. For you all, and so like, this is what it is. That's pretty much what it is. Thanks. How do I find this? Poor thing. Follow me, and yeah, there's this thing, and I've been looking. I thought I got everything, but I still have a piano, but I still haven't gotten this. I guess I still have to get those. What? But my newest favorite game. Let me just find it real quick. It's right here. My friend, Angel, he said my real name. They're like, wait, why would he emoji? Oh. Let's keep on going, okay? Enjoy yourself. That's what happens when I start making videos. My flipping head itches. Okay, yeah, I had a sleepover with my girlfriend. Yeah. Oh yeah. Last time I was at my girlfriend's house, which was a week ago, I had my first kiss. Yeah, I know. A 13-year-old girl never has kissed a boy in her life, except my dad on his cheek. When I was a kid. Only kissed my dad on the cheek when I was a kid. So my girlfriend is my first kiss, and I have this walkie-talkie here because it doesn't even work. My head itches! That's that. It won't. Then. Okay. What is the definition of won't stop? Nah. Okay. Siri. Siri. Hey Siri. Oh, my Siri is having an auto problem. Hey Siri. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Hey Siri. 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 Oh, who needs her? Then she just like comes online saying, "Oh, oh, hi, Mark." It's like, like when I say, wait, it's like when I say I don't need her, it's like, wait, if someone could just Photoshop a series just right here, it's like, I didn't, it's like, and she just turns on and it's like,
What the fuck?
Oh my, well, sorry, dude. Too bad for you. Too bad a psycho decided to go into your house. How much time do we have left? Okay. Yeah, still chill. Probably to change this. Let's just change this to whatever we have. Whatever we have, I'm just gonna change it to. Like, if you guys want to, like, if you guys see something that you guys want me to have my wallpaper as, say so. No, it's science. This is adorable. Yeah. I have memes like this is. Everybody knows you have to have a good supply of memes. Especially Don X Albert. Okay. Got my thing. Got the wallpaper. Got the wallpaper. Hey friend, what are you thinking about? My mind. God, X Albert. You have a clown nose. Yeah, I made that one, but it's like so ew. I'm gonna send this video for him to react to.
Oh my god! Whoa, guys, what the hell? Oh my god, guys, make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Guys, back with another 3 a.m. challenge tonight. We are
Dark. Can we just?
Oh my god, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. What is popping, guys? Back with another 3 a.m. challenge tonight. We are
Pandemic. Even.
I seriously can't go one day without seeing this video. It's driving me insane, guys. I seriously can't stand this.
That's literally how he goes. That's literally how fast he is.
Last night I actually went and started looking up more Yamato Casita songs just because I of these cringy music kids dance these songs like Yamato
Cringy. That's pretty cringy.
The song just got embedded into my brain, guys. It won't stop playing in my head. It won't stop. Yamato Casita won't stop. It is driving me insane, guys.
I'm just scared about that sound. With my girlfriend, we were gonna when she was over. We tried staying up until 3 a.m. with my little sister was already asleep. We were trying to stay up all night just to do a 3 a.m. challenge with a scary bear that I painted just to get the things that we have. My DNA red and her DNA hair is rainbow, and everybody thinks she's 9. Everybody thinks she looks like this guy. Her hair is not that long, plus her hair is shaved. She wouldn't do anything like this. So you know what? You know what? F all of you who think my girlfriend looks like 6'9". Do 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 do. I wish I could do that dance, but I'm terrible.
And I was thinking, this song is just so powerful, guys. There's hidden messages embedded.
Like his videos. You know what? Cosita is a meme. Sneezing. Oh. This is what I really need to sneeze. That's literally how I feel right now. That is literally how I feel. So, yeah.
A lot of these popular songs were developed by the Illuminati.
I have to do this because I don't want to lose time.
Overnight, guys, there must be something crazy going on with this song. So yesterday, I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning every hour to try the Damacy Cosita challenge for myself. What's up, guys? What the fuck? What the hell is that? This is not normal. This is not freaking normal, guys. What the frick? So guys, honestly, I'm a little bit afraid of doing this tonight, but we're going to try to play this song in reverse at 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. We're going to try to listen for any sexual messages that are hidden inside of Damacy Cosita. So like what right now, let's see 15,000 likes for this, guys, and maybe I'll try to FaceTime Damacy Cosita, because guys, you saw that there's definitely something going on. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. We got more bangers on the way, guys. You already know the J Nation is sound.
It's called FaceTime. Like, why would you say, I'll do a FaceTime? It's like, what the fuck, dude? You're being an idiot.
Guys, meet me up every single night at 3 o'clock in the morning doing some crazy stuff. But all that being said, guys, smash that like button. Let's get it.
I have to wake up pretty much every day to go to school. And I don't complain. It's finally spring break.
Okay, guys, it's 3:31 in the morning right now. I almost chickened out, guys. I almost chickened out. The Damacy Cosita challenge last night was crazy, guys. Literally, Damacy Cosita is pretty catchy. After you listen to it for a couple times, you start to actually like it. I have no idea, and now it won't get out of my brain, guys. But at 3 a.m. when I did the Damacy Cosita challenge, the song went demonic, guys. There's something definitely going on. And guys, I played XXX Tentacion song backwards before, and it got really crazy, guys. There's satanic messages hidden inside songs. The rumors are that sometimes the Illuminati puts hidden messages inside the songs backward. But even if you're hearing the song forwards, your brain.
So when we do what's the because I just didn't want to waste any time. But this one we are going to next time we are going to save this one. I'm gonna save this to next videos. I'll either I'll just unlisted anyone with the link in view. Next video. So like we're gonna save this to that. So goodbye. Goodbye. See you guys later. Guys. Not in that sense. Not in that sense, okay? I was like, not that sense. I like you. So you guys are like a friend to me. And that's what other YouTubers say. I love you guys. Please just do this and do do this, and please do that.